Everyone, I am a seller onboarding expert and I welcome you to Tata Click training program. In this video, we will learn how to list the product on our website. So there are three ways for product listing. One is the global search, listing the products that are already listed on our website. Second one is that you create single listing of each SKUs. And the third one is bulk upload. So this particular video is specifically for global search. Now let's visit sellerzone.tataclick.com and explore this option further. Then we need to log in using our seller account credentials. Over here we have an option called product listing. We need to click on this. So over here you can see the option of global product search. From here, the product can be listed in two ways. First is that you know the EN codes or the UPC code of your product. You feed that data over here and click on search and you will get all the relevant result. The second one is that you know the L4, that is a final product that you want to sell. So over here I want to sell a water purifier. So for that I need to select on first option. So water purifier falls in the electronic category. Then it's an health and grooming product. I want to sell purifiers. Third one is water purifier. Then I click on search. So over here I have all the options that are listed on our website and I have this particular model with me in stock. So I want to sell this one. So I need to click on second option which says sell. We have to wait for a few seconds. The screen will pop in. Then I need to put the product SKU. Set the date to few weeks or few months. Then I would be giving a 12-month warranty on this product and this warranty is from the seller's end. Then I update the lead time as 1. So 1 is equivalent to 6 to 7 working days. You can calculate in the same way and feed in the days more if you will take time to delivery. That's it. With this, we need to click on sell now product and we'll get a pop-up saying that your product has been successfully updated. Now we need to push the tags. Once you update the tags, your product will be listed on our website. Then the other method is that you have the specific EN codes or the UPC code of the product that you want to list. So I have an EN code of a product. I click on search. So before that, we need to clear out the filters that we have already applied. Then I'll put the EN code and click on search. So this is a Sony mobile which I want to sell. So we need to again click on the second option, that is sell now. Again we have to wait for a few seconds. Then we need to enter the SKU code, put the date. Again I would be giving a 12-month warranty and this time the warranty is from the brand, that is from Sony's end. So I'll select brand. If there is no warranty, I can select any, and if I am as a seller want to give warranty, I can click on seller. So the lead time is 1, that is 6 to 7 working days. I'll click on sell now. Again it's prompting me to update the tags. Once I update the tags, the product will be listed. So with this we have learned quick and easy way to update the products on Tata panel. Thank you so much for watching this video.